Good morning. Good morning. I'm checking the time. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I am hosting a supper club dinner in home, and I'm just gonna share a bit of behind the scenes of what I'm doing. It's gonna take me 2 days, but I want to share as much as possible. The first time I had my business, I didn't share much. I didn't take a lot of pictures, and this time around, I want to share as much as possible. And at the end of the year, I give myself 1 year. At the end of the year, look back. Normally, when I do my videos, I do not go over the entirety. I just edit. So I am going to share a bit of behind the scenes. So this is my kitchen that I've cooked for over 1,000 people over a 5-year span. I am going to the market to get some ingredients for the soup. I have the peas in the house, I have the rice in the house, so I just need to get pumpkin, chocho, carrot, sweet potato, and we have flour for make dumpling. And for the chicken, what we getting chicken for the guests tomorrow. So yeah, wish me luck. I am heading to the market to get the things I need. Hola.
Hello, my love. ¿La quieres entera?
Sí, está bien.
Gracias.
So here I have the chicken, jerk chicken. I make my own jerk marinade at the moment. I have green seasoning and jerk seasoning. I'm gonna combine it together and let this rest for 24 hours and get cooking. So here we are finished with marinating, and we are going to let this rest. And that's it. So I was chopping this big pumpkin. I thought I was recording and then I realized the camera was off. But anyways, I have pumpkin here. I'm gonna add chocho, chayote, carrot, sweet potato and potato, but I'm gonna add those tomorrow because if I pre-prepare them, it's gonna be black, and I don't want that. And to prevent it from getting black, the sweet potato and the Irish potato, I can put it in water, but for 24 hours, that's not a good idea. So I'm gonna prep those tomorrow. But for now, I'm prepping the carrot and the chayote. And there we have the ingredients for the soup. And I'm gonna prepare the peas for tomorrow. So in this pot I have red peas, scallion, thyme, pimento. I don't put habanero to make this jerk chicken is gonna be spicy. And the guests tomorrow, not everybody does spicy, and I don't want the pepper to burst while I'm freshening the peas. So yeah. Papa? Papa? Oh. Oh. Papa? Vamos a Papa.
They have this agreement in Quebec,
and the dinner lunch just ended. It was amazing, and I am happy it went well, better than I expected. And I'm gonna end here by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.